That was a good one. Hey guys, I'm Craig from Goodland, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our filter adapter kit, which I've got right here. By using this Goodland filter adapter kit, it essentially allows you to hook up your hot tub to a aftermarket sand or cartridge type filter. It allows you to keep your water in your Goodland wood burning hot tub cleaner and clear for longer. So we're going to install it and let me show you how to do it. First and foremost, you're going to need the Goodland filter adapter kit, which comes with the 90-degree elbow connector made of nylon. You've got your instruction card here on how to hook it up, and then the aluminum return neck, which is a custom fabricated piece by us. It comes with these parts only, and it does not come with the filter itself. We chose the Intex 925. It works great for our tub, but you can use any third-party sand or cartridge filter that you want. So this is a non-sponsored about the Intex pump, but we'll show you quickly around it. This is where the sand medium is, and that's where the water goes through the sand and filters out any debris. And this is the electric pump unit. So these connect together with hoses, and this guy has a 24-hour timer on it. So you can set it to run for an hour, 2 hours overnight, and you'll come back to crystal clear water in the morning. So I'm going to assemble this and we'll hook it up to the tub. And you just fill this guy up with sand and you're ready to filter the water. And for how much to use and what kind to use, just use their owner's manual for guidance on that. First things first, when you're coming to install this on your tub, is to pick a side. Because this filter lives on the outside of the tub, you're gonna wanna pick a side of the tub that's less visible. For us, we would do it on the far side here. However, for demonstration purposes, we're gonna show it to you on this side, show you how it works. First thing we're gonna do is install this 90-degree nylon elbow in one of two places. Now you can either flip your tub over and install this right to the underside of the tub, or you can connect it to the drain hose. I'll take you through a little walkthrough of the setup. So we've got our 90-degree nylon elbow, that's part of the filter adapter kit. And this is the inlet. So it's drawing the water in from this side into the filter, bringing it in through the pump, and then putting it through the filter medium, and then out the other side where we're connected to the aluminum return net. We've crafted this out of sandblasted marine grade aluminum so that when you put it on the back side of your tub, anything that can be seen over the edge looks as beautiful as your tub does. So once the system is full of water and you've bled the air out, it's safe to run the pump. Again, for demo purposes, we're showing it to you here, but it is meant to go behind your seat there so it doesn't interfere with your cover and won't fall out and drain your tub. So one tip we've got is that when you're using specifically this Intex filter, you can set it on a timer to run automatically for 2 or 3 hours a day at any time of day you want, and that'll keep the water crystal clear. And remember, when you're using a sand filter on your wood burning hot tub, that it's only cleaning the debris in the water to keep it clear, but it's not sanitizing the water. We think this works best to keep the water natural, but if you want to extend the life even longer, you can use chemicals like bromine or hydrogen peroxide to actually sanitize the water. And you're right, having a filter on the tub does prevent freezing for a little bit longer of the water. However, if it does freeze, you do risk damaging your pump or filter if it gets really cold. But remember, it's natural, untreated water, so it's not going to last forever. So keep an eye on it and drain it when you need to. So that's it. That's our introduction video about how to use the Goodland filter adapter kit, which is for sale on our website. The filter kit adapts any sand filter to any existing Goodland wood burning hot tub or any other tub we make. For more tips and tricks about how to use the Goodland products like our wood burning hot tub, feel free to check out the videos above.